Get ready for the dictation. Start. In order to prove his case, the plaintiff examined himself as PW1 and 2 more witnesses as PW2 and PW3 and got marked exhibit P1 to exhibit P5 and closed his evidence. Full point. To rebut the case of the plaintiff, defendant number 1, clause B, examined himself as DW1 and defendant number 3 examined himself as DW2 and got marked exhibit D1 to exhibit D27 and closed their side. Full stop. Para. The court below, having heard the arguments advanced by the counsel for the plaintiff and the counsel for the defendants, answered the above issues number 1 to 6 in the negative and dismissed the suit by passing the impugned judgment and decree. Full stop. Para. Aggrieved plaintiff has preferred this appeal, urging various grounds. Full stop. He has also filed IA number 1 under order 39, rules 1 and 2, read with section 151 of Code of Civil Procedure, seeking temporary injunction against the respondents. Full stop. He has also filed IA number 2 under order 41, rule 27, read with section 151 of Code of Civil Procedure, seeking production of certain documents by way of additional evidence. Full stop. Para. Respondents number 3 and 4 have filed objections to IA number 2 filed by the appellant bar plaintiff. Full stop. Para. Heard arguments of the counsel for the appellant. Full stop. The counsel for the appellant has also filed written arguments. Full stop. Para. The points that arise for my consideration or colon para whether the judgment and decree dated 9/9/2010 passed by the principal second civil judge, Bangalore Rural District, Bangalore in OS number 17/2000 is justified under law? Question mark. Stop.